So imagine yourself, you get home, it's late, and the only thing you have in your freezer is actually frozen dumplings. You can get frozen dumplings to crispy just within 15 minutes. Hello again, it's Wojtek here, and I have a little trick for you today. So what you start with is the pan. Put the flame on, pan in, no need to wait to get it hot, just put the water in. All right, and your dumplings in. The only thing you need to be mindful here is just to keep it in one layer, and that's it. Now we're gonna let them steam for 10 minutes. So, lid up. We are almost ready. The water is evaporating, and the moment when you don't see the bubbles, oil in. You're gonna cover the bottom of it. Now, don't touch it, don't turn it till it gets crispy. All right, so when you see some like edges already browning, it means they're crispy. That's exactly what you're looking for. All right, so just little shake, and probably like 2-3 more minutes on this side, and we can start on our garnish. First, I'm gonna chop some green onion, and then we're gonna add the flavors to the dumplings. We have here sesame oil, chili oil, soy sauce, and rice vinegar. So you start with the oils. 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, 2 teaspoons of chili oil. Give it a bit of a shake. Soy sauce and rice vinegar. 1, 2, and 3, and the vinegar. 1, 2, 3. It's gonna get splashy. Give it a little swirl. You can even flip it a bit. Okay, it's ready. Dumplings in a plate. Some garnish is over. Let's just go with the spring onion, some sesame seeds, and it's good to go. It's been 15 minutes. Let's dig in. Ay, ay, ay. I really love dumplings, man. Yeah, it's delicious. Did you enjoy this video? Like, share, subscribe for more.